Down?
No. You better come over here.
Oh, there's no food. There's no food, Nick. Sorry, buddy.
Oh, yay. He's going to the bathroom.
You got a little one and a big one.
Piece on your face.
They better come back over here. Come back.
Did you show them the food?
Honey, I don't know if they can see me or not. Get over here, because I climbed all the way up here for nothing.
Let's see if they come to Stacy.
No, come back. I'm assuming that's the baby. Mommy. Oh, I'm sweating it up.
Hold your foot. Hand out.
All right. One more. Oh my goodness, his tongue is long.
I told you. Things are hideous. Yum, yum.
Oh, he stinks.
He's quivering that thing. Told you. Put some things on his tongue. I love his tongue. We keep shaking it. He's supposed to like more.
Hold on. Has he even eating it? He's like putting it in. I think he's putting it in a pouch in the back
See how
of his
far
mouth.
out he'll do it.
Come here.
Gross. Silly giraffe.
Oh my goodness. That's funny. Come here, up here.
Mmm, yummy.
Ew, gross.
Here. You ready, Stace?
Uh-huh. Hey, buddy. You want to go down that way, huh?
Tongue.